Life has a way of knocking the wind out of you. Maybe you face setbacks, financially and emotionally. Maybe you've poured yourself into others for so long, you forgot what your dreams even looked like.
Yes, you forgot all that. But hear this. Your story isn't over. It's okay to begin again. It's okay to want more. And it's never too late to build something meaningful from the pieces life tried to break. Click the link below at serrakaraoke.net to learn more.
Through a powerful online workshop, you'll learn how to start a digital business that works for your life. You just need to take the courage and the first steps. It will guide you through the rest. You'll gain access to a supportive community, tools that actually work, and mentors who care. More than anything, you'll rediscover your vision and your value.
Yeah, you are going to rediscover all this. This is about creating something real, something that gives you peace of mind and time freedom. You have survived so much. Now it's time to thrive. Click the link below at serrakaraoke.net and join the free workshop today. Click the link.